Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to change Threads bio. Okay, so if you have a change of mind and you want to update the things that are happening to you, so you just have to open your Threads application first and then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, and then click on edit profile. Now you can see your bio, so you just have to click on it and then erase everything. You just have to click on this X icon and then add your new bio. So for example, single. You can also add an emoji. So for example, like that. Now click on the check mark icon at the top right corner of your screen to save your changes and then click on done. Okay, so as you can see, your bio is now updated. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.